Imagine getting guaranteed rent every month, straight from the government. Sounds amazing, right? Investing in Section 8 housing can offer you just that. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to start investing in Section 8 real estate, step by step. You'll learn why it's one of the smartest moves you can make as a real estate investor. Make sure to watch till the end and hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. So, what is Section 8 housing? The best part for you as an investor? It's a government program that provides rental assistance to low-income families, elderly individuals, and people with disabilities. The government pays all or a significant portion of the rent directly to you. And for landlords like you and me, it means having a reliable stream of rental income coming in like clockwork every month. This means you don't have to worry about chasing down late payments or dealing with tenants who are constantly behind on rent. It's all about minimizing your risk and maximizing your returns, right? Why you might want to consider Section 8 investing for your real estate portfolio. First, Section 8 offers landlords guaranteed rental income. You don't have to stress about vacancies or tenants not paying on time because the government is footing a significant portion of the rent bill. Second, the demand for Section 8 housing is consistently high. There's always a need for affordable housing, which means you're more likely to have a steady stream of potential tenants lining up for your property. Third, Section 8. Investing can be a powerful way to make a positive impact in your community. By providing safe and affordable housing, you're helping families and individuals in need. Finally, unlike traditional rentals where you're often limited to charging market rent, Section 8 allows you to potentially charge slightly higher rents, as these are determined by the government based on what's considered fair market value for your area. So, Section 8 investing comes with a unique set of advantages that can be incredibly beneficial for savvy investors. Now let's get started. Step 1. Research and understand Section 8 regulations. Section 8 is a government program, and like most government programs, there's some paperwork involved. Start by visiting the website of your local public housing agency, or PHA. This is the agency that administers the Section 8 program in your area. Their website is a treasure trove of information, including local regulations, landlord responsibilities, and even the payment standards for different types of units in your area. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the eligibility requirements for both tenants and properties. You want to ensure that any potential property you're considering meets the program's standards for things like safety, habitability, and size. Next, reach out to your local PHA directly. They often have dedicated landlord liaisons who can answer your questions, provide guidance, and even walk you through the application process. Step 2. Research your market. Look for areas with high demand for Section 8 housing. These are often areas with a strong rental market, low crime rates, and access to amenities like schools, parks, and public transportation. These factors are attractive to potential Section 8 tenants. Step 3. Find suitable properties. You want to find a property that meets the program's standards while also having the potential to generate solid returns. Think about the type of property that aligns with your investment goals. Are you looking for a single-family home, a duplex, or perhaps a small apartment building? Each option comes with its own set of pros and cons, so weigh your options carefully. When evaluating properties, pay close attention to their condition. Section 8 housing has to meet certain safety and habitability standards, so factor in any potential repair or renovation costs. Don't be afraid to negotiate with sellers, especially if the property needs a little TLC. New construction can be a great choice for Section 8 investing. Brand new homes often pass Section 8 inspections more easily, making the approval process smoother for you. You might be surprised to find that in some markets, new construction homes can actually be cheaper than existing homes. Step 4. Apply for Section 8 approval. Once you've found a property, it's time to apply for Section 8 approval. This is where your earlier research on local regulations and requirements will come in handy. Start by contacting your local PHA and letting them know you're interested in renting your property through the Section 8 program. They'll guide you through the specific application process for your area. Be prepared to provide detailed information about your property, including its size, amenities, and rental history if applicable. You'll also need to set a proposed rent amount, keeping in mind the PHA's payment standards for your area. Next, your property will likely undergo an inspection by a PHA representative to ensure it meets the program's housing quality standards. These standards cover a wide range of factors, from safety features to overall cleanliness. If your property passes the inspection and your application is approved, congratulations! Step 5. Find tenants. You can list your property through the local housing authority or use online platforms. Be sure to screen your tenants carefully, just like you would with any rental. Conduct a thorough background check. Verify their income and employment status. Even with Section 8 assistance, you want to ensure they can cover their portion and any additional expenses. The PHA will work with you in the leasing process and coordinate the lease agreement. Stay in touch with your PHA contact. Ask questions if you're unsure about anything, and be responsive to their requests. Step 6. Manage your property. Managing Section 8 properties isn't much different from managing any rental. Keep up with maintenance, respond to tenant requests, and ensure your property remains in good condition. The better you manage your property, the more reliable your income will be. Start building your Section 8 portfolio. Investing in Section 8 real estate can be a fantastic way to secure steady income and help your community at the same time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more real estate investing tips and tricks.